Welcome back to Car Showcase. The 2026 Fiat Fastback is making waves as one of the most anticipated compact crossovers in the global automotive market. With its sleek coupe-inspired design and practical SUV functionality, the Fastback blends style and utility in a way that perfectly suits urban lifestyles and adventurous spirits alike. For 2026, Fiat has refined its design even further, offering a bolder front fascia, sharper LED lighting, and more aerodynamic contours that make it stand out from every angle. This is not just a facelift, it's a confident statement that Fiat is pushing forward with innovation and sophistication. Under the hood, the 2026 Fastback is expected to carry forward the turbocharged engine lineup that balances efficiency with spirited performance. The standard 1.0-liter turbo engine delivers smooth acceleration for everyday driving, while higher trims may offer a 1.3-liter turbocharged engine producing over 170 horsepower, giving the Fastback an extra punch for those who crave a sportier ride. Paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or a CVT, the driving experience is both responsive and fuel-efficient, ideal for city streets and open highways alike. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Fastback offers a refined and tech-savvy experience. The updated infotainment system features a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity on the go. The digital instrument cluster and premium interior finishes, including soft touch materials and ambient lighting, create a sense of modern luxury uncommon in this segment. Comfort is a priority as well, with supportive seating and surprising rear legroom for a coupe-styled crossover. Fiat has also added more sound insulation for a quieter, more serene ride. Safety has seen significant upgrades too. The 2026 model includes advanced driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera in higher trims. These features make it a smart choice for families or solo drivers who want peace of mind behind the wheel. The 2026 Fiat Fastback is set to be released in early 2026, with availability in both South American and select European markets initially, and plans for broader international rollout depending on demand. Pricing is expected to start around $24,000 for the base trim, making it a competitively priced entry into the coupe SUV category. Higher trims with added performance and tech features could push the price closer to $30,000, still offering excellent value for the style and innovation Fiat delivers. With its sharp looks, dynamic performance, and smart features, the 2026 Fiat Fastback is positioned to capture the attention of drivers who want a vehicle that's as fun as it is functional. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in next video.